Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something special for you. 5 amazing open kitchen design ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and functional heaven. In small space, go for the space saving galley design. This means setting up your kitchen with parallel counter and open shelves. It is cool smart way to make the most of your space. The design is sleek, meaning it looks smooth and stylish. Plus, it is super efficient, making it easy to move around and get things done. Here is the trick. It also make your kitchen looks bigger than it really is. This is awesome, especially if you live in a cozy apartment or a smaller home. So if you want a kitchen that is both practical and trendy, the space-saving galley design is the way to go. Ever heard of breakfast bar magic? Well, it is like saying farewell to old dining tables and welcoming a stylish space-saving hero into your kitchen. A sleek breakfast bar, it is not just a looker, it is also super practical. Imagine having a cozy spot for quick meals or a chill place for casual hangouts. This smart addition not only becomes a focal point in your kitchen but also gives your extra counter space. So if you are tired of traditional setup and want a trendy twist, the breakfast bar is your answer. It is perfect for making your kitchen a cool and functional space for all those on the go moment and relaxed get together. Upgrade your kitchen games with this simple and stylish solution. Create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor space by installing larger glass doors that open to your patio. This clever design choice not only lets in plenty of natural light but also make hosting gathering a piece of cake. Just picture yourself cooking with a beautiful view right outside your kitchen. The larger glass door eliminates the boundary between your kitchen and the patios, making your space feel more open and inviting. It is like bringing the outdoors inside, giving your kitchen a fresh and airy vibe. So if you love the idea of enjoying nature while wiping up a meal, this indoor-outdoors connection is the perfect design choice for you. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos with our 4 game-changing ideas, clear storage solution. Imagine hanging pulled-up pantry shelves that make reaching for ingredients and breezy or heaven cabinets that magically took away your pots and pans. It is all about making the most of every nook and cranny in your kitchen. By optimizing storage, you will not only declutter your space but also create a happy and organized cooking heaven. Picture a kitchen where everything has its place. That is the magic of clever storage. So let's dive in. Maximize this space and transform your kitchen into a tidy and stress-free zone, because in the world of kitchens, a tidy space truly equal a happy place. Now let's chat about the multifunctional island. It is like the Swiss Army knife or kitchen design. Imagine having this one piece that can do it all. First off, it is a prep solution. Pop vintage mix ingredients. Your name it, but wait, there is more. It doubles as the dining table, making it a perfect spot for casual meal or a quick snacks. And guess what? Need a place to work or study. It can even becomes a mini home office. This island is not just practical, it is stylish statement too. Adding booth, flyer and usefulness to your open kitchen. So if you want a kitchen upgrade that does a bit of everything, the multifunctional island is your go-to solution. There you have it, 5 open kitchen design ideas that will elevate your home. Whether you are working with a small space or looking to create a multifunctional hub, these ideas are sure to inspire. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below.